Fashion up by Odin Bautista. Palakpakan po natin si Odin Fashion na maraming salamat sa iyo. Sa aking minamahal na kaibigan na sobrang stress ka. At ang daming pinagdaanan. Pero here it is. Very successful ang event na ito. Maraming ups and downs pero partner, naging maayos. Kaya naman Barangay Santa Cruz sa oras na 3:22 AM. Atin lang i-anunsyo. This is my pride and pleasure na ipakilala sa inyo ang bagong-bagong koronahan. May we call on our presenters, please? Nanaman ng Barangay Santa Cruz 2025! Isang malakas at masigabong palakpakan para kay Laman. Candidate number 10! With great pride and honor, let us now call in the Mutya ng Santa Cruz 2025. Mutya, candidate number 12. Congratulations! Mutya candidate number 12. It's great to see you're the reason I've been girl. When they say time to do the next thing of all time, I can say I do. Congratulations! Ayan. Nahulog. Ayan, excited.
Extra ako.
Barangay Santa Cruz, ladies and gentlemen, you have been witness this year's Laman at Mutya ng Barangay Santa Cruz 2025.